MotoGP, really MotoGP.
It hurts, Raga. It hurts the eardrums. My goodness, what lines were they waiting for?
It's another world.
The one boat is up. What's with all the sea sand?
Guys, you've understood from the title already. Yes, the R1 is going under the knife again. Precisely because we're going to improve the exhaust that we've made even more. Before this, I want you to understand why it's worth it after not even a month. Are you changing the exhaust? I'm very happy with this exhaust. It drives me crazy, guys. I'm in love with it. But we can do better. So why give up? Yes, as you've seen from the bench, and yes, as we already knew, simply the exhaust that we had mounted before. It was purely an aesthetic choice. It was a childhood dream of mine to do something extreme, a dual exhaust, something that ultimately gave way to aesthetics over performance. And not so much, because then, as we also saw from the charts, it simply had some gaps that we don't know if then mapped or with a sports filter. We were going to solve it, we were certainly going to solve it. Now, however, we are doing a job that is certainly more functional. And aesthetically, it fits the project more. Have you seen the pink knobs? It was a big spoiler. This collaboration with MT Race was born. Now you will also see all my bikes thrown with their exhausts. And we throw it, a little spoiler, they deserve it. Yes, subscribe to the channel at least. All titanium. Let's zoom in on these welds. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Enough, I'll show you. Once finished, we try it on the bench, and this time I don't care. As soon as we finish, we will return to Naples because then we are in Matera. We take it immediately to Mafaro. I am particularly anxious and curious to see it. If with the previous exhaust we decided to think only about aesthetics, despite the performance, guys, as you also saw from the bench chart, 202 horsepower and 8 at the shaft, lots of improvements resulting in nearly 2 more horsepower at the shaft. So the exhaust worked perfectly, but now we wanted to create something together with MTRS. Yes, super cool and super aesthetic, but also super performance. I've already seen some spoilers in the works, but I haven't seen it complete yet, and I haven't heard it on the bike yet, and I can only tell you that the punch is completely in there. I'm thrilled like a kid. Let's listen to it on the bike, and I'll show you the blue one too. I'll head out now to check it out.
My goodness, this...
Work with the purple came out spectacular. It really came out spectacular. Now I'm curious. I want to hear it running, my goodness, what lines. But then you also see the details in the gold welds. The bracket made like this top. We have to turn it on now. They still haven't seen it, and now we have to turn it on. Cold start R1M with the new MT Race full titanium grade 1 top quality Japanese exhaust.
My goodness, it's decent.
Now I should wait for it to cool down, to heat it up. I'm not understanding anything. No, MotoGP, really MotoGP. Guys, we're at 2000 RPM, the bike is cold, 2000 RPM, come on, it's at 44 degrees, it's rising. Keep the hype up and we give it a good rev.
It's another world, it's another world. My goodness, it's a figure of the Alta series.
Right, some little flame. Guys, Daniele, he really outdid himself. I haven't heard anything for an hour. I mean, I think from both, really. My eardrums are trembling. With this, we really risk getting arrested, guys. The sound, if it was aggressive before, now it's 10 times more aggressive. We just have to put it on the bench now. Check the number of horses it pulled out. Then, as we return to Naples, use the sports filter map. And we really see the potential of this exhaust. Full titanium, a little...
Later, you are...
ready to discover how many horses we have pulled out of the shaft. And also at the wheel. Don't worry, we'll show you everything. Look how beautiful this exhaust is. It's truly stunning. Ready to lose the eardrums? I mean, I will lose them for sure. It hurts, guys. It hurts the eardrums. I lost the drums. I pass it to you. I can't hear. This is the comparison with the original exhaust. The blue one is the original. The red one is the current one.
And there's still work to do. The map, yes.
Mine is not mapped.
I mean, with the map, we can...
Sure.
When the bike is lean, you often get an extra 3-4 horses to take them. Anyway, the map needs to be completed.
No, of course, it must be done. Well, but we're already talking about going already here at 10 horses. We almost take it, yes, but I mean...
Talking about an exhaust. Compared to the original, we have 10 more horses. Okay, but...
Compared to that full outfit you wanted me to put on, it's a whole other...
Story, guys.
We always have to give up a little bit of performance for aesthetics. Look at the green line.
Here we have around 5,000 to 6,000 revolutions, 45 more horsepower compared to the current configuration and the original, while around 10,000 revolutions from the original.
We have 10 horsepower at the important range of 10,000 engine revolutions per minute.
We give up a little bit of performance for aesthetics, but it's not all because we still have to do filter mapping. We will definitely be able to get something more out of it. Now, all we have to do is mount the list and go for a road test. We are ready to hear it. It's nice, my goodness.
Morning is felt from the very morning. Absolutely right. See you again.
What a sound, guys. Naturally this, like for the pink knobs, it's a spoiler. Another spoiler that adds to the list. Of the spoilers that I gave you in these episodes with the R1, I don't know if you noticed them, but there were quite a few Easter eggs. In fact, in some videos you have already seen how I will transform my R1. Only very few of you noticed it. Now let's enjoy these Matera curves. That's what they say, because the road really deserves it. It deserves a lot. Let's get the tires nice and warm, and yes, let's give it a little bit of gas. Also, to hear how this exhaust sounds.
It's a pleasure.
Bumpy road, not so much pleasure. Look at that curve, guys. Really, that...
Curve.
Wow, I caught that thing under the bike. I didn't even notice. I can't wait to hear her scream.
Pleasure, that.
Pleasure.
That sound.
All right, guys, nothing to take away from the old exhaust. Exceptional sound, that one too. We have 3 hours of driving ahead of us during working hours, so the road is clear. We can give it a bit more gas, especially since we're in the middle of the countryside. We can hear this R1 scream with more peace of mind.
How the hell is...
It got up, but how the hell did it get up? I even have it. The DCs is at 3, the anti-banada is off, but it got up too abruptly. Guys, too much, too abruptly, it got up.
I'll definitely get some minutes.
What a pleasure it seemed.
The Windows background is spectacular.
Thank you. What a sound. What a spectacular sound.
Yes, but I don't have gas. I think I'll have to load it in the van if I don't find a gas station soon.
Everyone, the bike, and all this means.
I'm really very happy. I can't wait now to finish the R1 project and to be able to show you what we're getting out of this little beast.
Hello?
I think I'm gonna stay on foot, but I don't have gas, and there are no gas pumps in the buildings.
No!
Guys, I'm left.
On foot.
The bike cuts out. It's the gas, I think. It's the gas, or full gas. It's done 20 kilometers.
On reserve.
It didn't do a damn thing on reserve. What a show, guys. Driving these roads. I mean,
Pleasure.